Here we got an air return, and this is where you put your filter for your air conditioner if you have them in the ceiling. And this crazy one here, every time the heater went off, you could hear it go clunk, and then when you turn when the heater went back on, you would hear it go clunk. And it was because the filter would fall down. Now the air conditioner, the heater just went off, and I don't hear it anymore. You know why? Because I went ahead and replaced it, and it was dirty anyways. It was really super dirty. And I looked at the measurement. This one says 20 by 25 by 1. And so I got a new one, same size, and I thought, okay, it's just barely loose. And so when the air is not sucking, when the heater's not on or the air conditioner's not on, once you turn it on, it wants to suck the air in the room up. And then you hear that go ka-clunk. And then when you turn it off, when the heater goes off or the air conditioner goes off, you hear this ka-clunk. In the middle of the night, you think, oh, what is that noise? Is somebody coming in? And I'd have to tell Mommy, nope, it's just the filter dropping and hitting the grill. And so I got up there, and sure enough, the existing opening is about 3/4 of an inch or 1/2 an inch bigger, wider and longer. And so what do you suppose I got? I got the shipping tape. I got Mommy's shipping tape out. Mommy's tape gun, do not remove. She had this at her work. And now we got it at home. And I pushed it up there. I don't even know, you can't even find a filter the exact size as what that opening is. It's really weird. You can't find one 20.5 by 25.5. It just doesn't happen. So I don't know what the deal was. And so anyways, when I put the new one up there, I took some of her shipping tape, and I just pushed it up in there, and then I taped it, and it kind of does like an L shaped deal. And I taped it up there. I pushed it all the way up. Or you can turn your air conditioner on, you can turn your heater on if it's loose, and that'll suck it up, and then you can tape it into place with just little pieces of tape, you know, four pieces, one on each end, and I just pushed it up in there, and away it went. And now it's fixed. So every time I have to replace this one, I'm going to have to do that. Now the other one in the other room, it's a different size. It's 20 by 30, I think it is, or 25 by 30 something, and it fits up there. I gotta hold my mouth just right to push it and fit it in there. And so it's pushed up there tight. I did put a couple pieces of tape just on the off chance that it gets loose later on down the road. But that's a trick you can do if your filters fall back down, okay? I don't like that noise in the middle of the night. When you hear that, it's just kind of unsettling. So there's a quick way to fix it. Well, there's your tip for the day.